Hi everyone, welcome back to Clean Up with Kelly, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning and organizing our refrigerator. So here's a look of what it's looking like right now. It is kind of all over the place. I will be honest, I have just been kind of tossing things wherever, and it really needs a deep cleaning as well. So anytime that I do a decluttering, I have to remove everything from that area. So I'm just going to be taking everything out of the fridge. And here is a look of everything on our counters. It's gross, like ew, moldy turkey. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. Next, I'm going to scrub the inside of this. There's some mystery stuff kind of all over the place, and I'm just going to really wipe this down. So I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the basil scent to wipe up everything today. The last time I did this was, I think, October or September of 2018. Yeah, it's been a while. So I wanted to ask you guys, how often do you guys do this with your fridge? I should definitely do this a lot more. So after I wiped everything, I'm going to use my Method Anti-Bac just to give this a once-over spray and let that soak in. So while the Method Anti-Bac is working, I'm just going to go through all of our items, toss out anything that's expired or bad, and kind of go from there.
I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense.
Unfortunately, I have one tray that does not come out. I'd have to move the entire fridge out of the way to get it. So I'm going to take the one that I can and wash it in the sink. And then I'm going to spray that with the Anti-Bac as well.
Help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run me leaving this bar?
The only thing I'm going to use as far as like organizers go is this tray that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to use it to put our yogurts and our sodas in for now. putting everything back, I did wipe the fridge down again with the paper towel just to get all the Method anti-bac spray out so it's all dry. Now I'm just gonna put everything back in the fridge and get it nice and organized so we don't have to search for things and feel the need to throw things in the fridge and close the door quickly behind you.
I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
After cleaning out the fridge on the inside, I just wanted to go over it again with my real simple stainless steel cleaner on the outside just because I got a bunch of fingerprints on it, so I'm going to wipe this down really well. And of course, I'm going to show you guys the before again and then the after.
Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
Okay, so here is my fridge after. I have some pickles here, some salsa, coffee stuff, and then just some extra buffalo sauce, and then our almond milk. And then on this side, it's kind of hard to find places for things on the doors. Let me know in the comments if you're the same. But I put some garlic, lime, and then just like our condiments here, so mustard, hot sauce, ketchup, coconut aminos, some marinara sauce, and then barbecue sauce back there. And then down here I kind of made it like our breakfast area, so some spray butter, jam, and some syrup. And then up here I just have some meal preps for this week. And then some ground turkey that I need to cook today. And in this area, I just put our sodas and then the yogurts over here. So I think I'll leave it like this, that way you can grab either one. And then eggs over here. I might get a clear container for eggs. We'll see about that. It's not a huge priority for me, but eggs are there. Down here, this is some meal prepped breakfast, and I decided to put our bread in here. So these English muffins have to be refrigerated, and I like to refrigerate any bread items just to make sure they don't go bad, especially in the summer. It gets really hot and these things turn really quickly, so putting bread in here. And then in this drawer is just our fruit, so I definitely need to go grocery shopping, but some grapes, some blackberries, and then I actually need to move that here. So down here, some pasta zero, which needs to be refrigerated. I have a couple turkey pepperonis left over, some chicken sausage, and then this is my lunch this week. Is like, it's kind of like a Chipotle type burrito bowl. And it was in the freezer section. I've been making little street tacos with this. And then over here we have our cheese. And that is it. It looks a lot better. It is not a gross mess. It actually didn't look too bad when I opened it, but the drawers and everything were filthy. So I'm really happy I got this done. If this video motivated you to clean your fridge out, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. That way I know to make more decluttering videos like this. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you hit the red subscribe button and tap the bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.